Are looking to turn your skills into a steady income stream, whether you are a graphic designer or writer. Fiverr offers a platform to monetize your talents. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own rates, and getting paid to do what you love. In this video, we'll show you the exact steps to get started on Fiverr and start making money today. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into fiverr.com. Let's say in fiverraffiliates.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see here, we have products. You can choose select the one you want: marketplace, Fiverr Pro, logo maker, type bulk, program, resources, help center, join now, dashboard login. We have here also become a Fiverr affiliate, join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world class freelance talent. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over join. Then we have here meet the products. Affiliates can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products. First, Fiverr Pro logo maker. Then we have here our partner earn first, enjoy an instant commission ranging from 25% to 100% of the customer's first order and 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. Then we have here marketplace gigs, pro services, logo maker, and here we have everything you need to succeed. This is all various information in the website. You can just read it to more understand about Fiverr. We have here everything you need to succeed. We provide our partners with top tier resources, infrastructures, and support. Missing something? Reach out and you will get it. Here we have marketing tools, personal support, intuitive dashboards, a wide range of offers, and here we have also a question. Are you Fiverr affiliate material? Here is what we're looking for. First, we have content creators, digital entrepreneurs, solution providers, online educators, marketers, agencies. Then we have here some of the most asked questions about our Fiverr affiliate program. First, we have what is the Fiverr affiliate program. How do I promote Fiverr? Do I need to reach a threshold before I get paid? How often are commissions paid? What does a Fiverr affiliate link look like? Then if you wanna get your answers, all I have to do is click over here. As you can see, so let's come back to the top. If you wanna sign up, all you have to do is click over here. As you can see here, we have sign up to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do: first name, write your last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, then account type, and you can just respond about this question. Do you have a main source or traffic? All you have to do is responding by yes or no. Then choose your country, choose your language. We have your first language, then Skype. You can write everything. Then you click over next, and this is the homepage of Fiverr. You have your dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store. So all you have to do right now is go to marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and here you can find these different affiliate links. So if you send someone to these affiliate links, it's going to send them straight to Fiverr to sign up to Fiverr platforms. Now that's okay, but if you want to promote some specific offer and some specific service for Fiverr, then you would find that service that you want. You want to promote, let's say for example you want to promote some video editing service. You search for video editing, you find video editing. So let's dive in here, video editing. So we find a video editing service that you really like and you think it's available and you want to promote. So let's click in for one. Let's click in for this one. So all you have to do right now is click on the share button on the right hand side, click over, and then you click over to copy link. As you do that, you want to go back to your affiliate account and then simply click on dupe link and you paste the link, sorry. Once you click, that's going to give you special affiliate links for the offer in particular, and now when someone clicks on your affiliate link, they will be sent to the service from which you earn commission if they invest in the service. But even if they don't buy the service and they go to something else, you will still earn commission because they use your affiliate link to sign up. So now let's talk about how to share your affiliate links on social media. First, we have here Quora. As you can see, all you have to do is dive into and search about any questions. So let's search about video editing because we use video editing. As you can see here, we have a various questions. All you have to do is respond about these questions, and you advise them to use and click in the affiliate links to more understand. Then also you can create a post. So you create a post and you share with people how to more understand about video editing or anything you choose. Then you share with them also your link to more understand. So there is how you can use Quora to share your links. Then we have also Reddit. So all you have to do is dive into reddit.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you can find a lot of subreddits related to the services that you are promoting. And again, video editing has just one of the kind of services that you can promote. There's literally all sorts of different things like graphic design, programming, teach, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music, business, consulting, and other things. Then create affiliate links for each, and then find people that are interested in this. Join different subreddits and subtly start promoting your links. Don't be spammy, but provide some value, answer questions, and at the end you can say, hey, this is one that I use. If you want to check it out, here is a link. That's how you can potentially approach this. Using social media on Fiverr can significantly boost your freelance career by increasing visibility, building a personal brand, and attracting clients like Reddit and Quora. Also, you can use Facebook by creating a business page to share your Fiverr gigs, client testimonials, and updates. So Fiverr is a versatile online marketplace offering freelance services across various fields, including graphics design, writing, programming, and digital marketing. It connects businesses and individuals with freelancers who can provide specialized services quickly and affordably. By leveraging Fiverr, users can access a vast pool of talent to complete projects efficiently, making it an excellent resource for outsourcing tasks and finding skilled professionals for short-term or long-term collaboration. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.